from the 80s, but it's technology that was patented in the 70s. This is the machine that really started Omega on the path to unscrambling.
Omega Design Corporation is a company that specializes in manufacturing and 3D printing. It was started in 1969 and works with highly sophisticated machines, such as a bottle scrambler, that cleans and sets up bottles upright for packaging.
So this machine here is our IntelliPack semi-automatic case packer. At the end of a packaging line, the finished retail component, it could be a plastic bottle, it could be a glass jar, it could be a pouch, it could be a carton, it could be a lot of different things that you might buy on a pharmacy store shelf or behind the pharmacy.
What is a typical day at Omega Designs Corporation?
We have things called black books, and it's a big folder of all the blueprints in there from start to finish on how to assemble a machine. We grab that and get a sub-assembly and start building the sub-assemblies.
5 3D printers back here. 4 of them are these Smart Force printers. There's kind of some different kinds here. This big one here is from their industrial series we printed. So these printers let us do 3 different kinds of fibers. So we have the carbon fiber, which is in there, which lays into the part like that. And you can actually really feel that in these too, which is why I like these. We can do Kevlar, which is different because it has a lot of the same strength characteristics as carbon fiber, but it's a lot more flexible and malleable. And then we could do fiberglass, which is kind of an in-between if you think about it.
Omega Design also specializes in 3D printing. The most advanced of these techniques uses photosensitive liquid that is molded into shape and then exposed to UV light to harden.
It's very obviously a liquid there, but if we take a little bit, we can kind of put it over there, and we expose it to UV light for some period of time. I forget the exact cure time of this. Some bubbles popping out in there. Just for a few seconds, that'll work. It hardens, so now it's solid.